So today we work on the Red Wagon. In my last Red Wagon video, we're working on the transmission and power steering coolers. We've got those installed, as you can see. I got all the parts from Rock Auto. In the description, I put a 5% discount for your total order if you order off of Rock Auto. I really like them. They have multiple brands that you can buy. They categorize it by remanufactured, economy, and then OEM quality. And it's way cheaper than what you would pay at AutoZone or like Pep Boys or O'Reilly's. And so I suggest you check it out. I know most people already know about Rock Auto, but you know, I've never really used them until recently, and I really like it. Yeah, it takes about a week for the parts to get here, and you do pay for shipping, but still, even with shipping, the parts are cheaper than what you would pay at a local parts store. So check them out. So one thing I did in the past week is I created 2 more YouTube channels. They're really simple and easy to make, and I can edit the videos and just basically push them out, and hopefully in the long run it'll create income that I can use for this channel. What they are is car crashes and like public freakout videos. The car crash channel is the Dashcam channel, and then the other one is Donutscribe, and I'll put the links in the description. Please check them out. You know, watch the videos, subscribe. You don't have to, but it helps, and these videos are so easy to pump out. I mean, I've already got like a month's worth. On the public freakout videos, I have three videos dropping out every day, and hopefully that'll help with the YouTube algorithm. And then on the Dashcam channel, I have 2 videos dropping every single day. That, like I said, they're so easy to pump out. If you want more information on this, on how to do it, because it's super easy, anybody can do this, and you don't really have to worry about copyright claims or any of that. If you want more information, just post it in the comments, and I'll make a whole video on that on my personal channel that you all can check out. But anyway, let's get to working on the Red Wagon. So today we're going to finish assembling the head. We're going to get the rocker arm assembly bolted to the cylinder head, and we need these little gaskets that go in here, because this sets down on top. That way oil doesn't get into your spark plug tubes. And this one is a little weird. It goes here, obviously. Alright, we're going to put a little assembly lube. We got some engine ass lube. We're going to put where the cam goes. You can never use too much. Now we're going to put some on top. Alright, we're going to start tightening them down a little bit at a time. Alright, and we're not going to torque it down just yet. We need to replace the cam gear, or the cam seal. So we need to get that cam gear off. Here's our old cam gear seal. Look how beat up it is. Here's a new one. Alright, use a 32mm socket to push it in. Now I've got this VMS adjustable timing gear. I don't remember where I got it. I've had it forever. I might have bought it. I might have got it on a trade. But I think we're going to use it. Let me tighten down these. Because I am using an aftermarket timing gear, you're going to need a Woodruff key for the cam gear, because the OEM has the key built into the timing gear. Alright, and we'll tighten up the camming gear once we have the timing set. We're going to tighten down the exhaust manifold bolts. And I did put a new gasket on there. What a shame. Look at that guy. How'd that just fucking happen? Weird. And of course it broke off into the head, which that's gonna suck. I'm gonna have to work on that. Alright, so after thinking it over, I think I'm gonna pull the head and try to back that out. But I'll probably have to drill it out and put a helicoil in there, which I don't have a helicoil kit, but I need one anyway for my AC compressor. And plus I'm already missing one of the studs over here, and then this one, the bolt is stuck on it. So I think I'm gonna order a whole new set of studs and just yank them all out, replace them, and we'll go from there. I mean, yeah, I could probably just, you know, YOLO it, because it's been missing one anyway, and I don't think I had an exhaust leak. But, you know, I want to do this right, so this is going to be my daily driver. I'm going to get a pizza delivery job once this girl's back on the road. And so I don't want to have any issues. I don't want it to be loud. But in order to fill this video, I'm going to go ahead and add the problems I had with my wife's CRV on the passenger side, the caliber. So I'll throw that clip in right now. Alright, so I couldn't get this bolt off, so I just basically lifted the caliber up. And inside the caliber is this. I mean, the piston's rusted to shit. I really need to replace the calibers. This bottom slide pin will not come out. Yeah, that bottom slide pin is just not coming out. The whole thing is rusted inside here. So, I mean, this whole caliber needs to be replaced. Alright, so I went ahead and just put the old brakes back in because I couldn't get that slide pin to budge. I'm going to have to replace the entire caliber with the bracket, the slide pins, everything. And I might as well do both sides, because what you do to one side, you should do to both sides. So we're gonna order those parts up. The sway bar end links, I might as well do all 4, and the 2 front lower control arms. And while I'm in there, I might as well replace the lower ball joints. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. I'm gonna order those parts tonight, and those should be here within a week or 2, probably a week. Rock Auto usually takes about a week. We're gonna get those videos pumped out as soon as we get the parts. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful, informative, or whatever. If not, I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, please like and subscribe, and go ahead and check out those links in the description. I would very much appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next video.